Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Ajan, and if you are new to the channel, this is all about e-commerce and finance. So, if you're interested in this type of topic, please subscribe and leave a like. Also, today I want to talk about the supply that you need for your Amazon business. This is the supply that I use, and so that's why I can advise it to you to use it. So, stay tuned for that, and let's go. Okay, the number one thing that you need is boxes. Uh, this is, I think, the most important boxes. It's how you ship your stuff, right? I have a complete video where I source my boxes. I will link it up here. But you can source this anywhere. These boxes. I mean, this box I get it from Amazon. Some returns because if you sell something and the customer return, Amazon won't resell it and they will send it back to you. And you can save those boxes for when you ship some new stuff or for to ship to Amazon warehouses. You will need bigger boxes, and yeah, you can buy it. Amazon they have it, or you can go on Costco, or you can use your creativity. I mean, you can go to some shops like Tesco, or they give it to you for free. Their used box that they don't need it anymore. Okay, the next thing is a tape gun and tape. As simple as that. Tape gun it's optional if you want it. It will be like a little bit easier to pack your package it, but tape it's tape. You need it, and I don't think it's need any explanation about the tape. You can buy it anywhere, and it's kind of cheap, £1 per each. So this is the number two you need. Number three. Now we're going to heavy artillery. Uh, it's a label printer. Basically, I use this one. You can open and then have those big labels to print and to ship your item. Normally you can use a normal printer if you want it. It doesn't really matter. I use this because it's like more convenient for me. This is for UK, especially for UK. In other countries I think it works too, but I'm in UK and this what I use to. It saved me a lot of time because you print your label and just you stick it onto the box and that's it. But if you have a normal printer, you print the paper and you have to wrap it with the tape. And yeah, it's in the end you need to be done the job. But I use this because it saved me time, and I will leave links in the description for these items which you can buy on Amazon. Number four is this a scale basically, and I use this scale because you see it's detachable, so if you add a big box onto the top you don't need to like struggling to go under to see the weight. You just take this, you see this go very far and it's very convenient. Again, link in the description for this. uh yeah, it's hold up to 50 kg. You don't need more because to ship inventory to Amazon, your box you can have maximum 15 kg, otherwise the charge will be extremely high. So yeah, and for the small boxes that you ship yourself to your customer, like 5-10 kg, it's okay. You don't need bigger scale than this one. The number five thing you need is common sense. I think you need a PC because you can run your business from a phone. You can watch YouTube videos from a phone, but you can't actually do the thing that you need to do on your seller center from the phone. You actually need the PC. So any PC it's okay. You just need to have internet connection, and you don't need any fancy PC or something super expensive. Uh, a normal one will just do the job. So those are the supply that you need for your Amazon business. It's not very big investment, like I don't know, 200-300 pounds probably at max for all of this. And in business you have to invest money to make money, right? So pretty much I wrap it up here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.